Hi, this video is a kind of short and sweet introduction to the differences between Windows 7 and Windows 10. Some of these, well, all these are screenshots of the intended screens for the upgrade, and yours may look slightly different than this one. The first thing you're going to notice is that we've upgraded everybody from Office 2010 to Office 2016. We've upgraded also the IPEVO point of view software that used to say P2V and now says Presenter, and it's the newest version of Memio as well. I will say that there are a couple other icon changes with our final rollout, and any of those icons that you don't need, feel free to delete off your desktop if you're somebody who likes a clean desktop. Start button changed just slightly. We had the little round windows. We've got the square Windows icon, basically the same start button. All the icons are pretty much the same and should look pretty much the same as they did in Windows 7. The act of getting to your files looks a little bit different. We used to click on the start button and then see our documents, our pictures, our music, and our computer. All those things are under File Explorer now. So if you click on the Windows button and go up to File Explorer, you're going to see this pop open, which has all those same things down the side, and it has your desktop, your documents, your downloads, your pictures up here under the frequent folders, but it has all the other ones right here under this PC, and I should also point out now is called this PC instead of my computer, and there should be a shortcut to that on your desktop as well. There's minimal aesthetic changes. Before, when you clicked on the start bar, the first thing you saw was all programs. Now it's called all apps that you have down there. Also, I should say that you can pin those to your start window, and that's those tiles that you can see a little glimpse of here off to the side to make it easier to get to some things. So they're called all apps now. You used to see all your programs in a line alphanumerically. You still see the same thing. It just looks a little bit different, but it's still alphanumeric, broken down by letter for each category there. As we scroll up and down, you can see that it's broken out just a little bit differently. You can also click on any letter, and then it'll bring up the alphanumerics of everything that's installed in your computer, and you could click, for instance, on the S, and it would take you straight to the S's down there as well. And if you see a little down arrow, it means there's more things installed under this folder that you can look at. As far as the search change, it's basically the same. There's a search bar here. Now the search bar goes and does internet, not just files. So when you click on your search bar, you may want to define it a little clearer that you're only looking on your computer to make things go a little faster, and I'll show you that in just a second after I'm done with the presentation. Also, we used to see device and printers and control panel. We have a settings button here. Now the easiest way to get to it though is just to right click on the Windows button, and you'll see all the settings there pop up. They look a little bit different than they did before, and I'm going to show you that settings button popping up and how we can also search for. I can type in control and you'll see the control panel come right up there as well, and then it looks just like it did before. Log off changed a little bit. The log off button isn't there anymore, but if I right click here, I'll see a log off, or I can go up to my name and click this fact that I want to sign out of the computer. Also, to shut down, we used to click and see shutdown. Again, I can right click on the start menu to get a shutdown, or I can go up and hit the power button, which will then give me the option to shut down or restart the computer. Let's go ahead and go to the other spot so I can show you. If I right click here, you can see I can sign out or shut down right off that button there, and then also you can see our device manager, our computer management, our control panel is all right here. So that's probably the easiest way to get to a lot of things that you were used to seeing here under what used to be settings. Also, you can see there are some things tiled here. If I want to add something to my tile, I can go to all my apps and search for an app like I want to use PowerPoint, and I can right click on that, and I could say pin to taskbar, and it goes down here. Or if I want to pin it to the start, it goes right there. So now I can click on it from there, anytime I bring up my apps, I can put my most used apps right there. So that's it for a little 5-minute overview of the differences in Windows 7 and Windows 10.